is our life is still trying to get a great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so it lies sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out that's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so late in the morning, I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, do I try, but try all the time. This institution, and I pray, oh my God, do I pray every single day for a revolution. And so it rains sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out. What's in